Hello everyone, I'm offering for sale this book that I wrote in 2005 entitled Tres Mures Caeci. It's a children's book in Latin inspired by the classic tale wherein the three blind mice have to escape from the farmer's wife who's carrying around a sharp knife for their demise. So this book is reaching now its 20th anniversary. It came out in August 2005. It has full-color illustrations, very easy yet accurate Latinity, and as my inventory is slowly coming to an end, I would like to get these out into the hands of students and teachers really anywhere. So I'm offering a special price for each volume. You can see in the link below, and inexpensive shipping. So this makes a great gift. I can also sell larger quantities for use in the classroom. Please contact me. I'd love for students out there and teachers to be able to use this in their study. So thank you very much.